Our new eye-catching backlit signs mimic neon, but use environmentally friendly and cost-effective LED lighting, available in obviously many colors. You can even do multi-colors like the one we're showing here. These are very well received in the convenience store world. Many of the newest products have been developed to help our retail customers harness the power of digital. Our transparent window posters catch customers' attention before they even walk in the door. Our digital signs and menu boards are designed to let retailers make content changes, price changes, quickly and easily. Transparent cooler doors still let the customer see what's inside the cooler and also offer interactive content, including important purchase messages, even showing coupons. You know, digital signs have many benefits for all retailers. They can capture buyers' attention, communicate brand identity, even improve the customer experience. With their rich content, including video, animation, graphics, and more, engage customers, providing an ideal way to inform and educate them about products available in stores. They can be a great way to increase impulse purchases in a convenience store. Digital signs are completely customizable with easily changeable content, allowing retailers to communicate to their customers with just the right message at the right time. We also use a wide variety of manufacturing techniques in our over 50,000 square foot Nashville-based facility, drawing on multiple materials, textures, graphics, shapes, and sizes, which allows us to customize our signage to accurately reflect our customer's brand to create just the right custom signage, delivered on time and on budget. D&P developed our own AC Links modular wiring system features, which are individual pre-wired components that can be configured to meet our customers' specific needs and provide power from the floor to ceiling with a minimal amount of use of electricians. Using fixture installers to finish an electrical installation in a cash wrap or gondola can translate into huge labor savings, fewer errors, and delays. We really are a one-stop shop for signage. D&P's superior creative and technical execution combine to provide our customers a complete solution. With our digital signage, we offer easy-to-use software, attention-grabbing hardware, content management, full-service installation, and long-term support. We know, as in the past, technology will continue to change with new innovations popping up constantly in the retail segment and elsewhere, and customers will continue to change the way they shop and consume. We are currently working on some new products focused on bringing customers from the gas pump into the store and hope to roll out that product line sometime next year. Who knows, you may even see D&P digital signs on food delivery drones in the future. And as our slogan always will be, we got your bright ideas right here.